Hello everyone, welcome to Fine Arts YouTube channel. In this video, I am drawing some delicious ice creams. Let's draw our first ice cream. Now I am drawing a cone. I am drawing some lines. Let's draw our next ice cream. Wow, it is going to be a rainbow lollipop ice cream. Let's draw its stick. And now I am move on the next ice cream. I am drawing its stick. Let's draw some lines. Now I am drawing our special watermelon ice cream. There are 4 ice creams. Let's paint our delicious ice creams. Pink, orange, yellow, green, our first ice cream is complete. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, brown, pink, light green, yellow, red, blue, red, green, orange. See you in the next video. Bye bye.